But one thing I want to get to before you leave is social media, and a lot of us are on Facebook, and we feel like, as far as consumer protection, that we've had our information stolen, and you've had a lot of wins as an insurance commissioner, but I'd like to have you talk just for a little bit about protecting consumers as far as our online information and kind of Facebook's and others' responsibilities to also do that.
Well, I agree. And what we're learning with regard to Facebook allowing Cambridge Analytica to steal tens of millions of Facebook users' private information is outrageous. And so were I Attorney General, I would be with the New York and Massachusetts Attorney Generals opening up a full-blown investigation of Facebook and Cambridge Analytica. My opponent, the appointed Attorney General, just sent Facebook a letter with some questions. I don't think that's enough. I think that Facebook needs to be investigated for potential violations of California's privacy laws and consumer protection laws. And I have had a lot of experience in this regard as insurance commissioner. Time and time again, suing insurance companies successfully to protect consumers or defending against their lawsuits, challenging consumer protection regulations. So I know how to use the law effectively to protect consumers, and I'm not afraid to take on these big fights. I think, unfortunately, the tech industry is a very powerful industry in California, and some attorneys general are unwilling to hold them accountable. I don't have that hesitation. I think that if large corporations are violating the trust of their consumers, their users, they ought to be held accountable. And that certainly has been my approach as insurance commissioner, and that will be my approach as Attorney General. And one of the endorsements I'm really proud of is an endorsement from the California Federation of Consumers, or rather the Consumer Federation of California, which is an umbrella group of the major consumer protection nonprofit organizations across the state, and they've endorsed my candidacy for Attorney General in recognition of my strong consumer protection record.